Eat, babe.
I see a pepper. I think there's a chili.
Whoa.
Mm-hmm.
I'm making a veggie balls. Instead of fish ball, but it's veggie balls. It's all veggie. There's a malunggay here, and I make also the sauce. But it's very spicy. And my asawa really loves it. And he eats a lot of vegetables. Ooh, so yummy, huh?
Got two that time.
Ooh,
Mm.
very yummy.
Good fresh chili.
Yep. Very fresh chili from the trees. Because I plant the chilies and make some sauce. Lami.
Very good.
You're enjoying,
beautiful.
huh? Lami kayo.
Mm-hmm. Mm. How's that taste?
Yummy. The sauce is very good.
The meat kayo. Mmm. They aren't really balls. They're vegetable flats. But they're good. I don't know why they call them vegetable balls.
It's a veggie plot.
They're veggie flats.
Here's the sauce.
Mm-hmm.
Perfect.
With fresh chili in there. Fresh chili.
Very good.